Hey guys, hope you are fine and doing well. Today I'm going to answer a very common question I get from most of the people whenever they see my pencils. And the question is why I sharpen my pencils like this and keep the lead as large as possible. And you may also have seen in some of my videos when I am adding some base shade in my sketches, I use this type of large lead pencils. And whenever I am adding some minor details in my sketches, I use a pencil with a small and sharp lead. Actually, I always prefer a large lead 2.5 HP pencil for base shades, and as you can see the lead is approximately 0.7 or 0.8 inches in length. So let's compare these two types of pencils by adding some base shades. Keep in mind that I am not labeling this small lead method as wrong. I am just trying to show you the difference between both the lead types. So let's start with the small lead pencil. As you can see, I am using the tripod grip for shading. You can learn about all these pencil grips by watching my previous video entitled 5 methods of holding pencil. Or you can just click this I button here after this video. So as we are done with the small lead pencil, let's move on to large lead. Okay, let's say we got this smaller shade in 4 seconds and we got this bigger one in same time of let's say 5 seconds. So time is also a major plus point of this technique. So in this small lead method, we shade with the tip of pencil. So we get some parallel lines on each stroke. But in this large lead method, as you can see, the maximum lead is in contact with the paper. So when we add some strokes, we get a smooth shade instead of some parallel lines. Okay, let's blend both the shades so we can differentiate them according to smoothness. So you can see we got a smooth shade here in large lead shading and we got some lines in this small lead shading. So that's why I always prefer this method for base shades in my drawing. In my next video I will show you how to sharpen your pencil like this, because as you can notice the ordinary pencil sharpener cannot sharpen like this. So I'm going to make a tutorial on how to sharpen your pencil like this. Stay tuned for more videos and don't forget to mention your request for upcoming videos. Subscribe to my channel for more upcoming tutorials, life hacks, tips and tricks. Have a nice day.